Cast a review. 2025. Is this the best cloud cost optimizer? Cloud costs can spiral out of control, and CastEye claims to solve this problem automatically. But is it worth using in 2025? Let's find out. CastEye uses AI-driven automation to optimize cloud infrastructure spending. Most people get this wrong. They think cloud cost savings require manual monitoring, but CastEye analyzes usage patterns, recommends better instance types, and automatically scales resources. One key feature is multi-cloud optimization. Whether you use AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, CastEye can redistribute workloads to reduce costs while maintaining performance. You won't believe what happens next. It can save businesses up to 50% on cloud expenses without any manual intervention. It also provides detailed analytics and alerts, helping teams understand where money is being spent and why. For developers, this means they can focus on building apps instead of constantly adjusting cloud configurations. Pricing is usage-based, which aligns with the goal of cost savings. For businesses with fluctuating workloads, this makes CastEye particularly effective, as it only charges for the optimizations it performs. So, is CastEye the best cloud cost optimizer? If you run cloud workloads at scale and want automated savings without sacrificing performance, it's one of the most effective tools available. The surprising truth is that using AI for cloud management isn't futuristic anymore. It's already saving companies significant amounts of money every month.